Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Wema Bank account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Wema Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and click on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the address wemabank.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Wema Bank like this. Now in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see here it says the online banking login. Click on the online banking login option over here, and this kind of interface will appear. Let's close all of these guys, and on this interface you can see at the right side there's a place to enter your email address or your username of your Wema Bank with your password. So in order to proceed to log into your account, let's enter the email address with which we have signed up for a Wema Bank account over here, and after that enter your password over here guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always reset it from the forgot password button over here. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Wema Bank account's password. And that being said guys, after entering your email address or your username of your Wema Bank account and entering your password, click on the login button over here, and then you'll be signed into your Wema Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.